Welcome to my 5-minute tutorial on using the equation editor in Word. It's actually quite simple to use, and it has a lot of benefits for both your math and science classes. You will find the equation editor in the Insert tab in your ribbon. We're going to be using several features for a few problems. Right now, we're just going to find a formula, the quadratic formula. It is actually located already inside your computer. So the first thing you will need to do is find the equation editor, which is in the Insert tab. Click on the down arrow and scroll down the drop-down menu to find your formula. You click on it and the content control box comes up wherever you had your cursor. You're done. In our next problem, we're going to be using office.com to find our equation and then, of course, type in our values to solve it. In the equation editor, scroll down to the bottom and click on More Equations from office.com. Go through the list until you find your formula. Once you're in the content control box, you can delete the variables and add your values. Use your lowercase x as the multiplication symbol. Once you're done with one line of your equation, hold down the Shift key and press Enter to get a new content control box right underneath. Try to keep your equal sign and other values right under each other in alignment. Now, to find a fraction, go to the top and find the fraction that you want by clicking on it. They come with empty boxes that you can insert any value that you need. The equation editor will not do the math for you. You will still need to use a calculator. Now again, keep things in alignment, especially your equal sign, and solve your problem. Once you are done, highlighting the problem or actually the answer is a good idea. Wow, good job. For our last two problems, we're going to be creating our own equations. This time, instead of clicking on the drop-down menu in the equation editor, click on the symbol pi. An array of symbols and structures will appear for you to use. Since we're doing a linear equation, we're going to need parentheses to replace our x and y values. Or in other words, you're going to need brackets. So you can start typing and then go to the top and choose the bracket that you need to insert your values. Remember, for each line, you must press the Shift plus Enter key to get a new content control box underneath. You probably are going to have to use your spacebar button to align your operators and, of course, your variables. In our last problem, we will need to type in superscripts for our algebraic expression. In the equation editor, you will have to look for scripts. Once you're in there, pick the one that you need and type it into your formula. Then you can add your values in the empty boxes. Again, it's quite simple. The boxes also expand to hold more than one letter or number. So in your second step, you can show that you're adding the third power to the fifth. And then, of course, you're going to need your calculator to finish your problem. Now you're done. Very cool tool. Enjoy using the equation editor, and thanks for watching. Bye.